Hello, today we will guide you through how to organize Outlook email with folders. Keeping your Outlook inbox organized can make it much easier to find important messages and reduce clutter. In this walkthrough, we'll create a folder and then move an email into it so you can start sorting your inbox more efficiently. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're on the main mail view. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of your inbox where your email account appears. Hover your mouse over the email address shown there. This helps reveal the available account options and gives you access to folder management tools connected to that mailbox. When the options appear, click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions that aren't shown right away on the main screen. From there, choose the option to create a folder. This is where you'll set up a new location for storing related emails, such as project messages, receipts, updates, or personal conversations. Next, enter a sample folder name. You can use any name that makes sense for the type of email you want to organize. It's a good idea to choose something clear and easy to recognize, so you can quickly find it later. Once the folder name is entered, the new folder will be added to your mailbox list. Now that the folder is ready, go to a sample email in your inbox that you want to organize. Right-click on that email to open the Message Options menu. In that menu, hover your mouse over Move. This will expand another set of choices related to transferring the email from one location to another. From the Move options, click Move to a different folder. This opens a list of folders available in your mailbox. Find the sample folder you created a moment ago and select it. Once you do that, the email will be moved out of your inbox and placed into that folder. This is a simple but effective way to keep your Outlook email more organized. As you repeat this process, you can create separate folders for different topics, clients, teams, or priorities. That makes your inbox easier to manage and helps important emails stay grouped in the right place. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in Outlook and moved an email into it, giving you a cleaner and more organized mailbox.